Recording in progress.
So total compliance, we have to create total compliance, we are familiar. Just to create a measure, total compliance, distinct count of complaint ID. So total compliance will come. So here
ఈ మెషర్ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేశారు కానీ 14K వచ్చిందని చెప్పేసి మళ్ళీ వేరే ట్రై
there is a filters actually. So what is the filters? I can explain. We have, I think, here. I think filters are there. Let's see what are the filters. The format data source. Okay. Source we cannot work. So I will give the DAX for date column. So everyone save it for that. So earlier I gave right DAX code. Date. Time is taking over. So whether here date is there, calendar is there. Even here also not there. I think I have shared in the groups, WhatsApp group. Yeah, నేను ఇంత ముందు డాక్స్ షేర్ చేశాను డేట్
డాక్యుమెంట్ అసలు
డాక్యుమెంట్ కాదు ఒక డాక్స్ కోడ్ మొత్తం ఇచ్చిన డేట్స్ టేబుల్ అని
1 మినిట్ ఇచ్చారు అవును సార్ ఇచ్చారు
అది ఒకసారి ఎవరైనా ఉంటే టక్కున పంపిస్తారా
సరే షేర్ చేస్తాను
9:30
Sir,
will not say, huh?
sales data for code.
Sales data. ఉందా?
Sales data equals to date left.
అది కాదు రోహిత్. ఇంతకుముందు ఒకటి డేట్స్ టేబుల్ మొత్తం పంపించాను.
పంపలేదు అనుకుంటా సార్ అది. లేజీ డాక్స్ అనే ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ ఉంది సార్ అంతే.
Fine, no issues. So we can create calendar. Anyway, we are familiar with, right? So click new table. For time being, you can create one table. Okay. Dates table. You can create calendar. So start it, and we can give our calendar auto. So instead of that, calendar auto table. So it will create dates table. So here it will generate dates, date field. So for that, we are familiar, right? Here we don't want here date table is created. So now we want to create one column. What is the column? I want to extract year from this. I want to create a calculated column year. So year equal to, what is the year? So year of dates date column. We want to extract dates date. Dates date, this is the column. It will create it as a year column, and it will give year. So let's see here. Now this starting to up to 2020 is there. Okay, fine. Okay, so come to here. So let's see for other report. What is the filter date here filter? Definitely it's impact for filter. So what we are looking is the year of 2019 and 2020. Okay, so we have applied the same filter here. What is the filter? How to apply the filter? How to apply the filter? Formats, dates, formats, views. Right, only two tabs coming for him. There is filter panel here. See if you want to fill. Okay, surprise. The filter panel is gone. So just filter or whatever the things you want. So go to here. So here, see, filter on this visual, filter on this page, filter on all pages. So this is the parameter we want to look in only for the data is 2019 and 2020. So for the entire all the table, all the pages. So for that, I need to choose filter on all pages. So what is the filter? We have to apply basic filter. Choose basic filter here.
2019-20.
2019-20. So select. Okay, select. So the reason is the data is filtered out or not? The data is not filtered. Please tell me why.
అప్లై చేయలేదు సార్ ఫిల్టర్ నేను.
ఫిల్టర్ అప్లై చేసినాం. ఓకే, ఉండి చూద్దాం. ఓకే, అప్లై చేయలేదా? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా అప్లై అనే ఆప్షన్ ఉండదు. ఓన్లీ ఫర్ అడ్వాన్స్ ఫిల్టర్స్ వీ హావ్ టు అప్లై ద ఫిల్టర్. See here for the year column. Anyone? So why data is not filtered? Anyone? Offline or online? Year low data is okay. year data. So the filter column is coming from where? This column is coming from dates year. This data is coming from where?
Total complaints.
Complaint. Whether we have established a relation or not. No. How that filter the data? Without relation, how? Right? So we have to establish a relation between tables. So go to modeling, manage relationship. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to identify what is the common column between these two tables. So what kind of columns is there? Let's understand first. So first, in the compliance data table, so go to compliance table. What are the columns are there? So complaint date is there. Okay. So complaint date is there. So in my okay, compliance date is there. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, this is date format. This is date format only. So compliance date, we want to give date format. This one short date. You can give it. Now see here, the format is modified. See format. So and go to the dates date. So dates date. So we can give the same format, short date only. Okay. Now we can join with date table with compliance date, complaint date. We can join it. So just want to check here how they are modeling for dates related. So check it, dates table. So completion date, not complaint date, completion date. Okay. Go for assignment. So go to modeling, manage relationship. How to establish a relation. Okay. So new relationship. So what is the relationship we want to establish?
Complaint data.
One is compliance data and date. So date, here date. What is here? We want to choose completion date. Where is completion date? Here. Okay. We want save it. So we have established
That
a
date format.
format is fine. Nothing. It will take. Format is fine. So it will connect automatically. Don't worry that format. Okay. See now the data is 3807. So data is filter out, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's see what is the value they're showing. Around. So 3831. So similarly, data is matching 3831. Somehow the model is missed. So that's fine. Anyway, we have data is match nearby. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason. Now we can check that by using this. So we want to create a visual. We want to create a matrix report. So how to create a matrix report? So matrix report. So what is the purpose of? Just want to understand table and rows. What is the major difference between table and matrix? So just we'll give small demo for that. So table is static column and dynamic rows. What is column? So for example, I am giving product name, product. What is the product? Okay. And what is the compliance? Compliant ID count the distance. How many complaints happened? This product, how many complaints happened? 49 complaints happened. Okay. So here, if you see here, this is static column. For table, always is static column. And also you can drag and drop here for the year column. Where it is here. So just now we created here. So for some, it is happening. That's why year generally we want to show four digits, right? 2019 or 2020. Generally, we will show only 2 years because the data we have filtered out 2019 and 2020. So sum instead of sum, we want to don't summarize. Click don't summarize it. It will show year 2019, 2020. See here, if you order by or order by, if you do order by product, so same product 042 2019 44 2025. So total 49. Okay. So here the columns is always fixed. Data will change. So that static columns and dynamic rows. That is called as table depth. Whereas Control C, Control V. Okay. So now I'm going to change this table visual to matrix. So matrix it required. So see the functionality here it is required. Only columns is required. So only columns is required. So if you check here, columns, rows, values. We also see column, rows, values. See here, rows, columns, values. Means dynamic columns and dynamic rows. The matrix is nothing but two dynamic columns and dynamic rows. Columns are also automatically change. So let's see how we can convert this one. So I converted product. This is a product year. Here, how many columns is there here? As of now, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. Let us assume I have selected the filter. (2018). See, now one more column is added. Dynamic columns added based on this filter condition. Whether it is added, table will that one more data it will be added. See, data it will be added 2018, right? So table is nothing but to static columns and dynamic rows. So matrix is nothing but to dynamic columns and dynamic rows. So column kuda dynamic ga change avuta untadi. So if you select 2017, it will come as 2017 data. 16, see here. But here does not change. That's the difference. So definitely it will ask if it is processed. So what is the difference between table and table visual and matrix visual? Simple. Table is visual accept only columns. Okay. Matrix visual it will accept column, row, values. Here values is nothing but this one is a value. So if you see here count of complaint ID. Complaint ID, this is the value. Product name is row. This is row product name. And this is value. This is column value here. Clear? So we can say table view is nothing but it is a combination of columns and dynamic rows. Matrix is a dynamic rows and dynamic columns. That's right. Okay. Now most of the time we can discuss in the practice time only all the visuals. So I did not detail went to in the visualization part. So anyway, I have provided the document. You want to go through the document and practice it. So now, so what is our requirement? So we have added the complaints. So that's why data is fused. Create 07. Okay. For us, create 07. Okay. Okay. All right. So what is the next thing is required? What is the requirement for next one?
Load open.
Okay. So now I am removing this one, or I want to create one more page for reference. You can imagine. Okay. All right. I want to remove. How to remove? Remove. Okay. So this is total complaints. So I'm not focusing on format. You are very familiar with format, right? సో టోటల్ కంప్లైంట్స్ ఇక్కడ మీకు ఈ విజువల్ ఆల్రెడీ షేర్ చేసినా కదా మీకు ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ అంతా ఈ విజువల్ ఇట్లా ఉండాలా అని లేఅవుట్ డిజైన్ అంతా షేర్ చేసి మీకు మొన్న డాక్ లో వచ్చిందా చూసారా వచ్చిందా రాలేదా డాక్ రాలేదా
ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ షేర్ చేయలేదు సార్ మీరు
ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ కాదు రాలేదు
వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ అంటున్నారా ఓకే
వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ లో ఉంది చూడండి రాలేదంటారు అమ్మో
పవర్ బి విజువల్ ఏమో
అక్కడ ఉంటాయి చూడు వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ లో ఏంటంటే ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ షేర్ చేసిన డివోర్సీ అని ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ లో మొత్తం ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఓవరీగా ఉంటుంది అక్కడ ద బ్రీఫ్
6 pages ఉంది సార్ అది
అంతే అంటే మొత్తం కాదు జస్ట్ ఓవరీగా ఉంటది సో మీరు ఎట్లా డిజైన్ చేయాలా అవన్నీ కూడా ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి ఉంటారు ఓకే ఇక్కడ లేదా అది ఓకే ఓకే so in that case if it is not there then we can add it now I will send screenshot for every day this is overview page okay this my office having some issues I will share this here in this WhatsApp group or here WhatsApp group I will share it okay this is fine right so now go through this one what is our requirement now okay so we achieve total okay సో ఫాంట్ చేంజ్ అంతా చూసుకోండి మీరు టేక్ కేర్ చేసుకోండి ఫాంట్ మనకు వద్దంటే సో సింపుల్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఇస్ గో త్రూ హియర్ ఈ ఫాంట్ కావాలంటే ఈ వాల్యూ సో యూ కెన్ గివ్ 30 మీకు కావాలంటే శాంపిల్ రిపోర్ట్ అయినా పంపించమంటారా రిపోర్ట్ 2 days ఫైల్ ఓకే
అది పంపిస్తే మొత్తం అదే యూజ్ చేస్తాం సార్
పంపించొద్దు ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ సెండ్ పంపించొద్దు సార్
అది పంపిస్తే దాన్నే యూజ్ చేస్తాం సార్
దాన్ని చూసి అంతే
వద్దులేండి పీబీఎక్స్ ఫైల్ పంపిస్తే ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని మీరు అక్కడ నుంచి కాపీ పేస్ట్
కాపీ పేస్ట్ కూడా చేయము
ఓకే ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ షేర్ వన్స్ కంప్లీటెడ్ రైట్ ఓకే అట్లీస్ట్ 3 pages అని అయిపోతే ఐ విల్ షేర్ ఇట్
ఓకే సార్
okay okay for the next one is what we want to status right we want to close or open so yesterday we have discussed close and open so close and open okay it's okay close and open okay we created this visual close and open so you have to drag and drop whatever the measure we have created with the complaint date the measure is created so total complaints rows values okay first batch వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అయ్యారా రామకిషోర్ వాళ్ళు కాలేదా రావాలి Okay, all right. So now close. Why only close? Applied. Okay. Why only close? Open, there is no data. So what is the status? Just to understand if the open is not there. First of all, how to understand is status table. What is the open ID? So open ID. So close is 9. The remaining all are open, right? Remaining all are open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's verify complaint data. What is the status? Which column? Complaint status ID. Only 9 is there. So here also there. 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Let's try. First of all, understand why here not coming as open. Filter applied. Okay. So the relation is okay, status, description. So description. So we have descriptions. So in case if you not the only is 9 is coming. What's happening? Let's see any model issues. Go to modeling, manage relationship. Status, right? This one, client status ID. Okay. Compliant status ID, status ID. Compliant status ID. Okay, the same one only we have given.
సార్ అక్కడ చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది కాలం.
Huh?
ఫైల్ ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్
Original file.
కాలం సెలెక్షన్ చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది.
That's fine. Status ID ఎట్లున్నా ఇవ్వాలి. 1, 2, 3. Compliant status ID. So status ID. Okay, let's see here. This is the status ID. Then compliant status ID.
దాంట్లో ఓన్లీ 9 ఉందా సార్?
Huh?
కంప్లీట్ స్టేటస్ సైడ్‌లో ఓన్లీ 9 ఉందా?
లేదు అన్నీ ఉంటాయి.
9 ఎందుకు వస్తుంది?
ఇంకేమన్నా స్టేటస్ ఏమన్నా జాయిన్ చేసావా ఎక్కడన్నా?
ఏం లేదు సార్, అది ఇంకెక్కడ జాయిన్ చేయాలి? సార్ లాస్ట్ టేబుల్ ఏదో రిలేషన్ ఉంది చూడండి సార్, ఒకసారి లాస్ట్ రిలేషన్‌షిప్.
ఓపెన్ చేస్తాము. The reason is we don't have your giving this. This is the issue.
What's the issue?
Let's see. Closed. You have to give proper thing. What is the value is there? You have to give closed. Favorable description. So here status, whatever we are giving. Modeling.
కానీ అది రివర్స్ అయిపోయింది.
One second. Status table. Model.
సార్ స్టేటస్ ఇంకోటి ఇన్యాక్టివ్ రిలేషన్ ఉంది సార్.
అదే అందుకే రెండు సేమ్ కౌంట్ వస్తుంది. Here same count it is coming 3807 380 close.
It's showing total.
Open is not coming. Is the condition in our written if for everyone same issue?
We have
Like
not tried. We have not tried.
Ravi, నీకు ఎలా వచ్చింది? నీ కౌంట్ ఎంత? నేను అప్లై చేసిన ఫిల్టర్ కి
చేయలేదు సార్, జస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు
చేయలేదా?
చేయమంటారా?
కాదులేండి, ఏమన్నా మోడల్ ఇష్యూ ఉంటే అట్లాంటివి వస్తాయి. మీరు చేసిన మోడల్లో ఏమన్నా ఇష్యూస్ ఉంటే ఒకసారి అలానే వస్తుంది. డేటా అయితే రాలేదు, క్లోజ్ అండ్ స్టేటస్ ఓపెన్ వచ్చింది, కానీ కంప్లైంట్ స్టేటస్కి దీనికి మరి స్టేటస్ ఓన్లీ 9 వస్తుంది. డేటా లోపల రిలేషన్స్ ఎక్కడో.
సార్ ఒకసారి మీ రిలేషన్స్ ఒకసారి చూపెడితే స్నాప్ కొడుతుంది సార్, దాన్ని బట్టి రిలేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయో లేదో చూద్దాం.
Okay, completion data. Okay, got it. This is inactive. Okay. Okay, complaint data only. That's the reason. The date is
No, it was showing.
what happened again? Date is not active relationship. Inactive. So complaint date. Make this active relationship. It will solve our problem. Okay, all right. Yeah, now count also it is matching. Create 3 for there. So only the status wherever the open status is missing. Okay. Okay, let's do this one. And columns, instead of column, complied ID. We have to give status here. So remove. So columns. And what is the value? Total compliance. So value. Just remove this one. So now total, close and open. So you want to make it turn off. Total. So I don't want to total. So already given total here. So I don't want to. What is the properties?
Visuals.
Visual. Click this visual and go to here. Properties. And what is this? This total? It's a column total or row total? It's a column. Right? Column total. Go to option column subtotal. Turn off it. Understand? First one. It's a column or it's row. It's a row means this one it will come. Anyway, we are not showing. We are not showing here. Row subtotal. Okay. So this layout and style. So if you give default, this color will come. Okay, if you set as none, the color will dark. And also try this one, this option where it is there. This option. Go to each and every visual, everywhere. So try how to remove this one. I want to remove this one. See here, as per the design. As per the design, we could not able to find out that one. Right? Close and open. Yes. What is the issue now with you? You want to help or you can able to understand? Got it, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you want to increase the size, go to again values. If you go for values, it will increase. Values means this one value. This is values. So this is column headers. So if you check column headers, you want to increase column headers. See each and every option you want to understand what is column option. So this is increasing now. You want to change text color, you want to make it this color, just for understanding purpose I'm telling. Okay. Background color also you want to give some background color, you can give it. Okay. Okay. So now, what is the next thing is?
Regions.
So in the complaints, we'll go for here. 98.7% complaints closed by grand total. How we can calculate closed percentage? Closed percentage.
Closed by total into 100.
Excellent. That is a calculation. How we can calculate is total closed compliance divided by total compliance. If you want to open total open compliance divided by total compliance. So let's see how we can calculate is. So my Excel is not working. So simple. So I can go with SQL Server now. So SQL Server also it will give calculate. Select what is the value? 3781 divided by 3831. Okay. It will give some percentage 0.98 into 100 into 100. See what is happening if you do not give this dot value, it will give numeric value. So numeric by numeric always it will give some numeric value. That's the reason I am giving some decimal value. So anywhere you can give here also, it will any decimal value into 100. So it will give the percentage. Okay. So now let's see. Now we are able to achieve. 98 point rounding 98.6 rounding 98.7. Perfect, right? For the calculation. So okay. Now please help me how to calculate on the measure side. First of all, we want to calculate total compliance. Now here, whenever I have drag and drop 3781, it's coming as close automatic. So but I want to write it tax measure. What is the total count for closed sales? Please help me.
Count.
Already class concept is over. Now this is like I'm expecting from you guys. So how to calculate total where the status is equal to closed. First of all, what is the columns is required?
Total complaint.
Counts where it is coming. Where is the coming complaint? data. Okay. So now what is the column? Total closed. So as you know, we are already created total one measure, total compliance. So what it will return? It will return what it will return? It return sum of closed tickets, closed compliance plus open compliance. This is combination of both closed and open. What we need to filter out? We want to filter out instead of both, we want to filter out only closed status. So where is the status that column? Status column. Where is that? Status
table.
Right? See here, total closed. So where is the status table? We have defined as a new column as status. So here how we are defined is table description close, otherwise open. This is status. Okay. Now we want to, by using this column, we can filter out the status. How to filter out the status is total closed equal to, so calculate, we have to write what is the syntax? Expression means distinct count of complaint ID. So already we have created that measure here, total complaints, and I don't want to rewrite again that measure. Directly I am using that measure. And we have to apply filter condition. How to filter? Simple. We can write. So filters, generally we can write filter, open bracket. What is the kind of table? Status table and filter expression. What is the expression? What is the column? Status column, right? Status table dot status equal to what we are looking?
Closed.
That's all. This is the count of total flow. We are already familiar, right? This kind of flow. Okay. Now let's see.
Sir, అక్కడ క్లోజ్ ఇవ్వరా క్లోజ్డ్ అని ఫిల్టర్ లో క్లోజ్ అని ఇవ్వాలి క్లోజ్డ్ అని ఇవ్వాలి.
Okay, that's the reason it is showing 0. See, that's the reason it is showing as 0. If you do small mistake, it will give wrong data. See, now we are how to know achieve 3781. So now we are familiar. So we have numerator value and denominator value is good. So percentage is numerator percentage, any percentage, close percentage. What is the calculation for close percentage? Right click, new measure, total closed by total compliance. So this is total closed percentage. Total closed percentage equal to, what is the numerator? Numerator is
Total closed.
Total close divided by
Total complaints.
total compliance. Very good. Now we are total compliance.
Good.
200. Yeah, we'll work on everything. Will work. So total. Let's see here, 0.96. So drag and drop here. Just change this one. 99. Okay, correct. 98 point. If you do rounding value, one value, we need only one format, right? 98.7. This thing came for us. Okay. Understood. Now up to here, understood. So save
Yes,
it.
sir.
Fine. So now what is our requirement is? So generally measures we will do kind of always numeric value. But we want to concatenate here 98.7 plus string data. We want to concatenate numeric data plus string data. Okay. So we want to write a one more string. Close percentage new method. So close percentage text. We want to write text. First thing, what we want to show? We want to show total close. So total close. See here, total close inside. Go to insert into text box. So one text box we want to insert. Okay. Here is text.
Close percentage, sir. పైన ఉంది.
And it is not coming text. So what we can do is we can write. We can okay. So we'll go for here. This way. Drawdown only will go. Okay. What is compliant? Close percentage text. So here, see if you do here format, when you drag and drop again, it will change. So this one. So we cannot change this percentage because we want to convert this combination of numeric plus text. So it does not directly support in the DAX. So what we can do is I will tell you the later part. So now compliance. Compliance closed off grand total. Here we are going to is here we are going to okay, that's fine. So you are so here this is a what format, this one? What format? This is text format, right? This because it's a numeric plus string, so it's definitely coming as a text data. So now we want to do some. So now we want to achieve. Only the issue is here. Change this format size. Okay. What is the issue as of now here?
Percentage
Issue. So we have to convert percentage. Some issues is there. So if you convert percentage, it cannot convert. What we can do is we want to we have to do some kind of format. So right here there is a format DAX function. It will convert some format. So format. So what you want to look in? So percentile format is required. So percentile where is required? 0, 0, two values is required, 0, then percentile. Understood? What is this 0, 0? This is how many digits we require? 2 digits. Even if you give 1 digits also, it will work. What is happening is it will come as 98. So whereas if it coming as 9%, so if you keep 0, 0, 0, 9 it will come. If you keep only 1, 0, 9 will come. That's the difference. Okay, and 7. After that, 1 digit. And also you can keep as also as. Okay, both is fine. Anything is fine, right? So 98 percentage compliance scores plus for grant code. We achieved. Okay. So close, open, total. This part is achieved. Can you please do homework for this part? What is mean by west? West, midwest, south, north, east. What is that?
Regions.
Excellent. Regions. So we'll go for one example. I will create one west region. We'll go through midwest, south, northwest. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So west. Okay. Awesome. Okay. So first of all, regions we have separate. So Control C, Control V. Okay. Format to enter. We want to the same format. Okay. Okay. Fine. So region, where is that region? So we have to region. So if you don't know exactly region, go to here. Go to here. Region, region, region. I think it is not region. States. Yes. State is starting. Status types. State, yeah, state region is there. Okay. Perfect. State region. I able to find out state region. So first of all, if you know, just want to go to familiar, where is that column is, because you want to understand which table, which column is there, then easily I will. So state region, so go to region. So what is the, instead of status, we'll drag and drop region. So now remove status column. Now it will coming as this all midwest, north, northwest, south, west. Okay. So automatically coming. I will go with midwest. So what is the total midwest? So total compliance. So now similar how we implemented total close. Similarly, we want to implement midwest total close. Midwest total compliance. So right click, go to here, right click, new measure. What we need to logic? Please help me. Midwest total compliance.
Complete percentage.
Not percentage. We want to.
Just want to calculate.
I want to calculate 1023 value. How to get it this value? So how we applied for total close?
Calculate.
Calculate. Very good. So what is expression? Total?
Total complaints.
Very good. What is the filter condition? Where you find region?
State region.
State region. So what is the filter condition? Filter condition, open the filter and select the table, state,
Region.
region table. That's all. So region, state region, state table region. There is a column and give the value. What is the
Midwest.
value? We can give Midwest. Why are you confusing? Midwest. So that's all. So now it is coming as this total complaints is coming as Midwest. So drag and drop here again. So it will give Midwest compliance. See here. Now value can match. So what is the percentage? Midwest percentage. How to calculate percentage?
Midwest complaints by total complaints.
Very good. Only measure. So Midwest. Midwest percentage equal to, so Midwest compliance by
Total complaints.
total complaints. This is where I am familiar by software. Instead of that, I am going to remove. I will go with another function. It is called as divide function. Okay. So what is the divide function? Numerator, denominator. If anything is fails, it will give us equal as 0. So this 0 also optional. You don't give it. It's optional. So if you give 0, 0 also it will take. 0 or null value. Sometimes you want to pass null value. It is fine. You can give null. Both will accept. See here, Midwest percentage. So let's see Midwest percentage. Midwest percentage. 0.27. So what is there here? In the screenshot. Notice 6.7 into 100 will come. So here we have see the complex, like we have to do first thing west. If it is coming west or any column is coming, we have to do that
Decreasing
percentage
order.
and west star, like this. We have to write 4 expressions in the same method. So based on this text, we have to do it. Okay. So now we'll go for Midwest percentage. So this one, Midwest percentage, like I will create one more
Sure.
new measure. So Midwest percentage text we want to create. So region we can call as region text. So this is region means all the regions is there. So we can name as region text. So what is the region text? First Midwest percentage. What is that symbol? What is that? Midwest percentage required. Midwest percentage. So undo, like what is the thing is required? Midwest string is required. That's all. So now create one more column. So drag and drop Midwest text, region text. So this values came and Midwest, right? So what is the drawback here? Percentage. We want to convert. How to convert? Which function?
Format. Double quotes. We want to give any kind of format. So if we give 0, 0, dot 0, percentile. So automatically convert. Percentage when you have given a percentage will convert as percentage. 26.7 Midwest. See here 26.7 Midwest. South also same value, but fine, that's fine. Clear? So if you do one mistake, the reason is if you do one mistake, in modeling see what is the impact. That's how we need to validate the data at the back end. The back end lo manaku correct ga data vastunda ledo. So same calculations ఎవరికైనా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఫైల్స్ ను వచ్చేసి CSV లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకొని CSV నుంచి SQL లో నేను మీకు చెప్పాను గుర్తుందా, హౌ టు ఇంపోర్ట్ ద డేటా ఫ్రమ్ CSV టు SQL చేయండి. ఆ డేటా స్క్రిప్ట్ అందరికి సెట్ చేస్తారు. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఒక్కొక్క యాక్సెస్ చేయండి. ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? టోటల్ 5 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. 3 మెంబర్స్ 4 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. సో వాళ్ళ 4 మెంబర్స్ మీరు ఆ ఫైల్ లో 4 మెంబర్స్. సో ఒక్కొక్క టేబుల్ ఒకరు చేసేసుకోండి. CSV ఫైల్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకొని SQL డేటాబేస్ లోకి తెచ్చుకున్న తర్వాత ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసినట్టు నాకు చెప్పండి. హౌ టు గెట్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్స్. ఐ కెన్ హెల్ప్ యూ. కాదు ఇప్పుడు మనము డేటా సోర్స్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డేటా సోర్స్ ఫర్ దిస్ రిపోర్ట్? ఎక్సెల్. సో మనం ఎక్సెల్ లేకంటే ఈజీగా దీన్ని మనం సోర్స్ ని ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే డేటాబేస్ కి ఒక డేటాబేస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఒక టేబుల్ ని ఇంపోర్ట్ చేస్తాం. సో మనం డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్సెల్ ఫైల్ చేయలేము, మీకు తెలుసు కదా. CSV ఫైల్ చేయొచ్చు. రైట్ క్లిక్, మనకు టాస్క్ లోకి వెళ్ళి ఇంపోర్ట్ ఫ్లాట్ ఫైల్ కొడితే
ఓకే.
సో దాన్ని నాకు తెలిసి అది ఎక్సెల్ ఫైల్ లోనే ఉంది సోర్స్. ఆ డేటాను కాపీ చేసుకొని CSV ఫైల్ లో సేవ్ యాజ్ కొట్టుకోండి. ఆ ఫైల్ సేవ్ యాజ్ కొట్టుకుంటే CSV లో కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఎక్సెల్ ఫైల్ అది కూడా చెప్తాలేండి ఎట్లా అంటే. ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంప్లైంట్, ఓపెన్ దిస్ ఫైల్. సో ఫైల్ నా దాంతో ఆప్షన్స్ లేదు అని ప్రాబ్లం. మీకు ఫైల్ సేవ్ యాజ్ CSV CSV లే కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. కన్వర్ట్ అయినాక ఆ డేటాను మొత్తము లోడ్ చేయండి టేబుల్ లేకి, SQL సర్వర్ లేకి. సో దట్ మనం వాలిడేషన్ ఎలా చేస్తారనేది నేను చెప్తాను. ఓకే, మనకు అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఫుల్ ఉన్నాయి ఈ వీక్ అంతా. చేసేవాళ్ళు CSV నుంచి SQL లోకి డేటా లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. వచ్చిన డేటాని మనము ఇప్పుడు నీకు టోటల్ కంప్లైంట్స్ వచ్చింది, హౌ టు రైట్ ఏ క్వరీ టోటల్ కంప్లైంట్. అండర్స్టూడ్? చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి వెదర్ డేటా ఇస్ కరెక్ట్లీ కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ ఆర్ నాట్. సో అది కూడా మీకు టెస్టింగ్ కి చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. మీరు ఎలా టెస్ట్ చేస్తారు? ఇంటర్వ్యూ పాయింట్ హౌ డు ద వాలిడేషన్. I wrote some queries and verify the data matching or not. Like that, you have answered it. And also, it will helpful for you in your real-time project as well as. Who will take that responsibility? I need for tomorrow, or I will take 2 days time. For Saturday, for everything, get ready.
CSV SQL లో పంపించడానికి అంత టైం పడుతుంది.
సరే,
జస్ట్ CSV ఫైల్ ని SQL సర్వర్ లో ఇంపోర్ట్
డేటా లోడ్ చేయాలి. నాకు ఇక్కడ ఏముంది, ఇప్పుడు రీజియన్ ఉంది టేబుల్, ఆర్ బ్రోకర్స్ ఉంది. ఆ బ్రోకర్స్ వచ్చేసి SQL టేబుల్ లో డేటా ఉండాలి. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
బ్రోకర్స్ టేబుల్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ నాకేంటంటే బ్రోకర్స్ టేబుల్ హౌ మెనీ రికార్డ్స్ ఆర్ దే సో ఫర్ ఇన్ని రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 707 రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కౌంట్. ఆ 701 బ్రోకర్ అనే టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ కావాలా. 701 రికార్డ్స్ అక్కడ ఉండాలి ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్. సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ బ్రోకర్స్ కొట్టి ఈ 707 రాదు. దట్ ఈస్ మై ఇది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఫర్ లైక్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ 2 days టైం.
సార్ రేపు
రేపు ఐ విల్ కంప్లీట్లీ స్టే విత్ యూ గైస్.
ఓకే సో టుమారో ఐ విల్ జాయిన్ ఆఫ్లైన్.
రవి
టుమారో ఐ విల్ జాయిన్ ఆఫ్లైన్.
యా ఫ్రమ్ మీకు పైథాన్ క్లాస్
ఏం లేదు రేపు ఏం క్లాస్
అయిపోయిందా? సో దెన్ 12 ఏంటి మనకు 10:30 తర్వాత పెట్టుకోవచ్చు.